Faves, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm on the road, I'm in the streets. It's a brand new day here, and I just dropped off my girl. Well, not just, but I dropped her off 45 minutes ago. Hence why I take my time to get up and kind of walk away from school. I've been sitting here 45 minutes just to see if they'll call me, but they haven't called me. She and I had a little talk and tell her no crying, so hopefully, fingers crossed, she will go a little longer without crying. Bring her out this morning. She stopped at the park as usual, but she didn't even stay. She kept saying, "Mama, school, let's go, school." So we went in right away and dropped her off, and it's been 45 minutes, so that's progress. I'll take it over nothing at all, you know. So baby's home, baby's working from home this morning, and then he had to go to an appointment in the afternoon. Tyler is off to school, so that's what I'm up to right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna head to a store and then find somewhere to sit and see if I read a book, catch up on some French vocabulary until they call me, or hopefully don't call me at all and I have to go voluntarily pick her up at the time when I'm supposed to pick her up. So I'm gonna get back my mask on because I am in town, that's where Sarah's school is, and go to a store that I've been wanting to go to. So wish me luck again on another day of what should be 4 hours for Sarah. Should pick her up close to midday. So if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. I'm heading in the crowd, so let's be safe rather than be sorry. There's a store that's called Hima that I want to go to. Don't know if it's open as yet, but let's see, because I've been wanting to go in there for a while. Yeah, so that's what I'm up to right now. I'm in town, as you guys can see. It's not much people around. Everybody is heading to work and such right now. Store is not yet open. Let me see if the time is on, what time it is open. Oh, it opens at 10 o'clock, so it'll be open in 15 minutes. So I'm just gonna sit here. It's like a home store actually. This is the name, Ima, because in French you don't say the H of any word, so it's Ima. Yeah, so it's like a home store, but it have little knickknacks in there that you can find for your home and whatever the case is. And they have sale going on, so let's see if I can go in there to get some stuff. And when I head back home, after picking up Tyler from school, going to the supermarket. But supermarket haul will be a little bit different today because babe has been wanting to do a green smoothie cleanse for a while now, so I need to go and buy the ingredients to do that, and I'm going to do it with him. So we've done it before years ago. If you've been on our channel for a while, then you'd have seen it a long time ago before we moved to Nice. We did it. So that smoothie cleanse had let him lose 10 pounds within 10 days. So he wants to do it again, so I'm gonna support him and do it with him for 10 days. So I'll show you guys everything that I'm gonna buy later for that. So you guys will see the rest of the fam bam throughout the rest of today's vlog. Let me search for the samosa. We don't need this. You guys, we are back, back. Sarah say hello, faves. Hello, faves. Sarah, Tyler say hello to the faves.
Hello, faves.
What y'all eating? What you both eating? They eating apple. What am I looking for, you ask?
Samosa.
Samosa. What is samosa, you ask? Tyler, what is samosa?
If you don't know what is samosa, It's a triangle with different type of things inside, like beef, curry.
Right, it's something Chinese. Anyway, you guys, while I'm looking for the samosa, I'm just going to start the supermarket haul right now. Today's supermarket haul is a bit different. You'll see why. Let's go. What we have? Eggs.
It's strange to see the freezer like this.
Haha. Babe said it feels strange to see the freezer like this. Like this. What does he mean like this?
It means almost empty or clean or
Empty.
space.
You know why? We're eliminating temptation for the next 10 days. That's why it's empty. That's why it's empty. And we are replacing temptation with
Spinach and
mixed salad. Why?
terrible.
Why? This one, I can't stand it. This one is the worst. Okay, the oven is ready, so I need to find the samosa and the name. We're doing a 10-day smoothie cleanse, babe and I, starting tomorrow.
Can I start or can I eat
Tomorrow.
with you?
No, this is for adults. You can taste the smoothie though, but you won't be doing the 10-day cleanse. The smoothie cleanse that Mama and Papa doing, we're only drinking smoothie for 10 days and we're not eating like you and Sarah. You and Sarah can't do that. It's for adults. So, to make the smoothie, I'll take you guys on this journey with us. So, starting tomorrow, we'll be doing smoothie, only green smoothies. So, yeah, let's see what we got. Like babe said, spinach, mixed veg. Come on, let's go.
Apple. Mama, can you cut some apple for me?
Sure. Show Sarah. Sarah, what is this? Say salad. What is this? Lemon. Okay, Tyler, your duty is to find the samosa.
Lemon.
I have a lot of duplicates, so I will show you guys everything.
Why that time I put the pizza in or?
Yes. Yes, put the pizza in least place of the samosa. Tyler finding them. We have grapes.
Let's see what
Tyler,
else we
turn around and
have.
look.
Oh, that's that. So tell me, what is this making with a smoothie cleanse?
It's a porridge, not for me.
Oh. Porridge. It's not porridge. So we have limited of option this week because we don't want temptation. So we have apple juice, we have orange juice, only one bottle this week. And guess what? The bills was fine. So where are the bills come from? Salmon, all these things?
No salmon.
No, usually I'm talking.
Maybe.
So Tyler have the green. I don't want to touch the green. We have granola. I want to touch the granola. So we have 2 packs of granola.
Okay. Meat blood.
Put it down.
So we have waffles. Sarah, what is that? It's donuts. Donuts. I see 4 donuts. So we have 4. So I guess before to start, if donuts is good before to start the cleanse to give you energy.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
That's what is it made for?
Yes, Sarah. Huh?
Oh, you didn't find mine?
No.
Apple. The salad of apple. Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
Zip. Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
Ziploc bag.
Yes.
Strawberry
Banana biscuits.
Wanna show Sarah the things that she engaged.
What is that, Sarah?
Cucumber. She don't know. That's setting.
Bread. Bread.
Kiwi.
Sarah
Oh, we
wants
have almond. Almond is a good snack.
Yes.
You buy eggs.
Yes.
Banana.
Oh, we have a big amount of bananas. I guess banana will be inside the smoothie.
And Sarah been asking for banana all day.
Mama. Strawberry.
Yes, Mama gonna give you strawberry. Y'all know that the supermarket haul is always chaotic, so don't mind about the
How? I want how?
Guys, you can see that Tyler is in vacation. We have a good amount of snacks.
How?
Oh, crackers. okay, at least this type of crepe you can keep it longer.
Sarah, here, strawberries. What do you say?
You have crepe in the bag.
Thank you.
Mmm.
It's not
So,
blueberries, grapes.
In this bag we have all of the frozen fruits.
For the smoothie.
Because in France, it's not all year that you can find the fruits. Like peach, for example, you can't find no peach at this time
But
of the
not
year.
just that, it preserves longer when you buy frozen fruits for smoothie. It's best.
Okay, so we got
And
a
it's
good
cheap
amount
for
of
frozen fruit in comparison to
we
fresh
got a good
fruit.
amount of frozen food. So whatever we can find fresh, and as she said,
So we got
preserve more.
strawberry.
We got pineapple, we got mango, we got mixed berries, we got blueberries.
And the list goes on.
Yeah,
Every kind
we
of
got-
fruit that you can think of.
All of the fruits, we got them in
And Sarah
the frozen
and
section.
Tyler been asking for this every day lately. I'm hiding her so she don't see it.
Yeah.
I can't even say the word. You guys figure it out. Comment down below if you guys figure out what that is just now.
You
That's the
already
assignment.
know there was this sign on it.
Maybe they don't see it properly because I went choop choop.
Oh, that's a Tyler, that's a new, that's for carnival. Tyler didn't know what to disguise in, so we got him a new
Papa talking.
costume. That's Tyler costume. So we're gonna make a Tyler costume with garbage bag. He will be called Mr. Garbage for the carnival.
No, I can't because we need to put on animal costume.
Well, we can do an
That's
animal
what Mitchell
costume.
said.
No, it's because there was a fish and on it. It
No.
has strawberry. What is animal?
Yes, because that's the theme of the carnival.
Strawberry.
But don't worry, I can make you a monkey costume with the garbage bag. We draw the monkey on the
Mama.
garbage bag and you put out the monkey like this.
No,
You want this?
I can't see.
You have to prepare first scissors and if you have to wear your garbage bag costume.
Yes. Chocolate.
Come, continue to the hall.
Chocolate?
Continue to the
Chocolate?
hall.
Mama.
Yes,
We have,
Sarah.
what is that?
Juice.
You sure it's juice?
The kids on vacation for 2 weeks, starting today, so
Ow.
a lot of juice.
Mama.
Yes, Sarah.
Sarah have only 1 week vacation. Ow.
True. Hey, don't do that.
Tyler?
Don't do that. Say sorry, Tai Tai.
This is raisin juice.
So you have some fish. Sarah started to like fish at the burger, like at the fast food. So we got
Sarah, what do you want?
fish like this. We have
You want
sausage
grapes?
for. Well, we used to get sausage to do hot dog, but we don't do much hot dog anymore. We just do sausage
Here.
and pasta and all of these things.
Sarah is just here for the eating.
Put yup not in the frozen bag.
Because
Frozen,
yup
bag
is not
was
frozen.
Pom, pom,
And
pom.
yup is not frozen.
This goes
We have
frozen.
ginger. No,
No.
this don't go frozen.
Well,
That's okay.
We have a little chicken. Damn, €5 for this little baby chicken.
oh
Wow,
It's breast, so it's breast. Breast is best, sir.
this is best.
no! Oh no!
That's okay.
And we have some yogurt. I didn't see the yogurt for Tyler. The yogurt for Tyler.
Yup.
Oh, yup is Tyler yogurt.
Yes.
Oh, we have
One
onions.
fell.
Rock, paper, scissors!
No.
That's tradition, babe.
Ow!
Lord have mercy, babe. What you provoke me for? You are grape.
Three! Three!
Please, s'il te plaît, papa.
Three?
S'il te plaît, papa.
Mama?
Yes, yes.
Messy.
Come, rock, paper, scissors. Tyler going to his bed if he lose right now.
Oh, yes.
Come. Sarah, rock, paper, scissors.
No donuts for Tyler.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Tyler, 0 babe. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1 Papa, 1 Tyler. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 Tyler, 2 1 Papa. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Il a gagné. Tyler wins. forget that that's so tradition. Hey.
I'm hungry.
Hey, you want me to fling you?
Mama, you said that this samosa will be ready.
It's in the oven.
It will be ready soon.
Sarah, finish.
Anyway, guys, this is the end of this vlog. Yes.
It's the end of today's vlog. Oh, I haven't told you guys any updates since I got back from Sarah. Sarah did a little progress today. I'm gonna take it. She stayed 2.5 hours. Glory. Every half hour, what did I do every half hour?
She was texting me like, yes,
30 minutes, no phone call. 1 hour, no phone call. 1 hour 30, babe, no phone call. 2 hours, no phone call. 2 hours 30. I got the call. And when I went, she was there sucking her pacifier in one of the teacher arms. Brush mama teeth. Mama teeth don't want brush. She saw the toothpaste. So I went and picked her up. She stayed 2 hours 30.
That's very good.
That's progress. But now school goes on vacation for her for 1 week, and she go back the following week for more progress. No more crying at school, right? Anyway, you guys, Tyler, what are you doing? And this crazy one is home. Anyway, we're gonna end the vlog here.
2 weeks at home.
Yes, 2 weeks at home with this. These two. Finish now.
Oh, be a disaster.
Finish now. We're ending the vlog here. They're tapping me, they're calling me. Oh gosh, it's time for me to go and get some rest. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new to the family and catch up and keep up. And we'll see you guys
Tomorrow.
Sarah said tomorrow.
Mama, can I tell you something?
What?
You said bam, brush.
Yes, bam, bam. One bam.